In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Alibaba account 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what confirmations to expect, and a few important things to keep in mind before you permanently remove your account. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that you're using the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. On the welcome screen, tap Sign in and log in with your account. Use your usual credentials and follow any on-screen verification prompts if they appear. Once you're signed in and land on the home page, we're ready to move into your profile area. From the home page, go to My Alibaba. This is typically the profile section, often represented by a person icon or labeled clearly at the bottom of the screen. Inside My Alibaba, look for the settings option. It's commonly shown as a gear icon, usually at the top right or within your profile details. Tap Settings to open your account and App Preferences. Inside Settings, scroll until you find Delete Account. Tap it once to start the deletion process. At this stage, Alibaba will usually show you important information about what deleting your account means. Take a moment to read the details on the screen. Deleting an account is permanent and can remove access to messages, order history, and saved information. If you have unresolved orders, open disputes, a remaining balance, or ongoing services, the app may ask you to clear these first before continuing. When you're sure you want to proceed, tap Delete Account again to confirm your choice. This second tap is a safety check to make sure the request is intentional. You may be asked to verify your identity once more, which can include re-entering your password or entering a code sent to your device. Follow the prompts carefully. You'll typically see one more final confirmation on screen. Tap Delete Account again to submit the request. Multiple confirmations are normal here. This is designed to prevent accidental deletion. After you confirm, the app will let you know if the request is received and whether the account is immediately deactivated or scheduled for permanent deletion. In some cases, there may be a short processing period. That's it. You've navigated to My Alibaba, opened Settings, and confirmed Delete Account through each prompt. Before you start, it's smart to save any invoices or records you might need later and make sure all transactions are fully settled. Thanks for watching and take care as you manage your online accounts.